Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this fourth video of this 5-part video series on how to day trade in 1 hour, we're going to go over 3 very important things that you need in order to day trade effectively. The very first thing is a watch list. So a watch list is akin to having a shopping list when you go shopping. It keeps you focused on the things that you need to buy, so you're not using up all your budget on things that are not the primary things that you need to buy. So a watch list is kind of important to help you in your trading journey. The second thing you need is to know how to use a scanner to search for stocks that meet your specific criteria. And the third thing is, after you've done all this, you want to be alerted as to when your stocks or your crypto coins have met your search criteria. And so, without further ado, let's get right into it. So here we are on TradingView, and to set up a watch list is quite straightforward. So first we're going to go over to the right side of the chart, right at the top here, where it says watch list and details. Click on that. And this is where we begin to set up our watch list. We're going to use these plus signs to add our symbols to the watch list. So if you're into crypto, we're going to highlight crypto, and we're going to use these plus signs to add our coins to the watch list. Now, one thing you have to bear in mind with cryptocurrency is you really only want to add the coin pair that is featured for your platform on which you plan to trade. So if you trade your Bitcoin on Bitmap, then this is the version of Bitcoin USD that you want to add to your watch list. And if you're on Binance, now Binance doesn't have a US Bitcoin direct pair. So the closest you're going to get is to use Tether. So we'll add Tether. And so if you have your US dollar on COINBASE, you want to pick up ETH, you want to keep an eye on the ETH USD pair. I'm going to click on that one, and so on and so forth. Like, you can add your index funds here if you're into trading index funds. Stock, Tesla. Right now I am in a Tesla trade, so I probably want to keep my eye on Tesla. I do have some NEO stock. I want to keep my eye on NEO, and so on and so forth. So nice and straightforward. So let's come out of this. And right here we have our watch list already created for us. If we highlight these 3 dots here, it will allow us select what criteria we want to see on our watch list. So we're just going to reduce the size of our chart, so that way we can clearly see all the different fields that we want to see. I think this is a bit busy, so I'm going to remove change. So I think this is a little neater. Once you've created your watch list and you're particularly interested in certain stocks, for instance, I'm interested in Tesla for today, then I can go to the left and bookmark Tesla. And you can see the different colors there. Let's do that again. You've got to have the paid subscription in order to use the different colors, but I only have the free subscription, so red is just going to have to suffice. So after we've created our watch list, then we can easily go through our list to see what's going on the charts. As you flick through your watch list, you'll see the 1 hour chart displayed for each of these selections. We can use TradingView's inbuilt screener at the bottom left of the screen. Whether it's cryptocurrency that you're wanting to screen, Forex or stock, then we can use the various parameters to select our coin or our stock or whatever it is we're wanting to trade based on our selection criteria. If you go over here that says general, you can actually select the criteria that you're looking for. So if you're looking for top gainers, then it shows you percentage-wise the top gainers on the day. If you click on it, it should pull up the charts. Well, yeah, the charts right there. If you want to see more charts than screener, then you can just kind of decide how much of each you want to see. If you're looking for the top losers or the 52-week high, overbought, oversold, those outperforming the SMA, the 50 simple moving average, whatever the criteria you're looking for is what you enter in. So if you're looking for the most volatile coin or stock to trade, it'll pull it up, and there's a full list there. So of course you can use this for stocks as well. Again, we can go to our filters. We have our screening parameters over here. We have our filters. Also, you're looking for whatever it is you're looking for, whether based on the description. If you're looking for stocks in any particular sector, then that would be here. If you're looking for stocks where over the last 60 days, the average volume is greater than 50,000 but less than 50 million, and of course you would work it this way, up and down. So between 2 million and 50 million, and that's all that it will pull up. You can reset that. Or if you are searching based on your technicals, then you're looking for those stocks or those coins that have made a new 1-month high, or whatever else your technical or fundamental requirements might be. And the last thing I'll talk about is how to set up your alerts. Once you've set up your various parameters for your screeners, you've set in your filters, and now once your criteria is met, then you want to enable alerts. You do that with this button right here. You can use the calendar to say how long you want that alert to be in effect for, all the way to, okay, you want your alert to be in effect all the way till the end of February. If you want it to show a pop-up, if you want it to send an email, if you want it to do more, you want it to play a sound once, and then whatever specific message that you want to pop up, then you enter it in right here, and then you enable it. So the minute your criteria is met, you'll get an alert. So that's all, folks. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, the only thing I ask that you do is to hit that like button. Comment below, since your comments actually help inform me on how my videos are working for you, if they are working for you, and what future content you would like for me to create. Share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell, since that lets you know as soon as I upload my next video. And I will meet you in the next video.